Now that you can create a simple drawing, you need to learn some modification techniques. These techniques and tools will help you increase efficiency in drawing production. Open your My First Dimension and immediately save it as My First Modify. The first step in modifying objects is to be able to select them in various ways. By knowing the different methods, you'll be able to use the correct one for the correct situation. With no command active, move over your text. Notice the object is highlighted, telling that you are going to select that object. Click on the object, and you'll notice that it turned bluish to tell you it has been highlighted. Also notice that the blue boxes and triangles, these are called grips. They are a quick method of modifying objects. Pick on the blue box so it turns red. Move your cursor and pick again anywhere. As you can see, grips are a very easy way of manipulating objects. More will be explained on grips later on. Hit Escape to turn off the grips. Sometimes you have to hit Escape several times depending on the grip activity. Click on the text again to highlight it. Now pick the Erase tool or the Delete key. For some operations, you can select the object first, then the command to modify. This is referred to as noun-verb selection order. Noun being the object, verb being the command. For training purposes, we'll use the command first, followed by object selection, which is the verb-noun order. Return the text back to its original position using the Undo tool. Pick the Erase tool again from the Modify panel, and look at the command window. You can see that it's prompting you to select objects. Move your cursor onto the screen. The dynamic display also is saying select objects. The cursor now is changed into a small box. This is referred to as the pick box. Move the pick box over your name, and a red X appears, identifying that you are about to select something. Click on the text and review the command window again. Notice that it has told you that one object has been selected, but it's still asking you to select more objects. You have to enter when you're done selecting objects to complete the selection process. Before completing the process, click on all the dimensions to select them. Notice when I picked on one dimension, it picked the extension lines, the dimension lines, and the text. They are all grouped together as a single object. Go around and pick. If you accidentally pick an open space, you may get a box like this. Don't worry, just pick again and continue picking your dimensions. When you're done picking, right-click and you can see the dimensions have disappeared. Luckily, AutoCAD still retains them until you close the drawing. Pick the Undo tool, and now they're back. Save your drawing.